moved in at the end of June, right? It was the last week, I think, of June.
The first days that you guys opened the doors, we've been here.
Yep.
Yes.
We chose Watermark because we were here visiting, looking at the area, and this place was just being built, and we needed something in close proximity to a gym that we work out of, and I made the trip over here while it was still under construction, and I just liked the facility. It looked new and clean, so that's what really drew it to me, and that you guys accepted pets, because we have a very special pet that is near and dear to our heart.
Yeah, yes. But also, since, we moved around a lot, moving from Missouri to Florida, and we've kind of been living in apartments for probably the past 6 or 7 years like this, we kind of knew what we wanted and what the price point should be. So living from Sarasota in Florida to Tampa, and in the St. Louis area, you kind of knew what a good price was for these areas. And so with what you guys offered with internet services and some of the amenities, it was a no-brainer actually for the price point. This is so quiet,
Yeah.
so nice, it's great.
Yeah, the area.
Right? It's great.
It's nice to come outside at night and walk your dog and it be quiet.
It's
not
quiet.
hearing
There's not broken
noise,
beer bottles on the walkways.
Yeah.
Things like that, it matters.
I think my two favorite amenities, one is a garage. We have a garage, and I know with winter weather, it's nice just to have somewhere to pull your car in and park it. I think also the pool. I mean, even though this is not the normal temperature that we're used to, and we probably won't use it all year, we did take advantage of it when it was open during the summer.
Football out here on the TVs in the weekend. Yeah, we watched.
Yeah, this outdoor area is amazing.
Yeah, it does sound kind of crazy, but since we are dog people, you guys have plenty of areas to walk the dog and for them to go to the bathroom. That doesn't, trust me, in other areas, you're everybody in the apartment complex goes to the same grass spot because that's all you have.
Yeah.
Right? So you can walk around here and there's plenty of places for your dog to go to the bathroom and go pee. And you have the bins, and the bags to pick it up. As an animal lover, that's a big deal to us. So. Yeah.
I would definitely recommend Watermark to family and friends, mainly because of the experience that we've had thus far. The amenities and the people have been great, and the area is fantastic. It's just a really great area.